You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation, how to pronounce in English. British English pronunciation staggered, good. Stress on the first syllable, staggered. American English pronunciation, the way it's pronounced in the US as opposed to the UK, staggered. Staggered, US, American pronunciation, staggered. Or, in British English, staggered. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.